Scouring ice cube on face, is it good? Summer can be horrible for your skin. Particularly when you see all that sound sparkle liquefying endlessly with the perspiration, and no magnificence hack appears to work out. Women, do you realize that you have a definitive weapon for all your magnificence misfortunes lying directly in your cooler? Regardless of whether you are attempting to battle a pimple or make your cosmetics adhere to your skin for longer on a sweltering summer day, an ice block is a definitive response to every one of your concerns. Regardless of what your skin condition, an ice 3D shape on face can work like enchantment. We should look at how. 1. Key to glowing skin. Everybody needs brilliant and gleaming skin, and an ice rub on the face can give you simply that. It improves blood dissemination to your skin and makes it brilliant. Applying ice to your face chokes the veins, which at first brings the blood stream down to your skin. To adjust that, your body begins flowing more blood to your face, which makes it energetic and brilliant. 2. Upgrades product absorption. This is a deep-rooted stunt that guarantees the skin assimilates all the items you apply to it. In the event that you have applied night cream or any serum on your skin, rub an ice shape over it. This contracts the vessels all over and makes a pulling impact on your skin which, thus, helps in better assimilation of the items. 3. Takes out dark circles. Applying ice to your face consistently can assist you with managing difficult dark circles. What you have to do is heat up some rose water and blend cucumber juice in it. Freeze this blend and afterward apply the ice shape to your eye territory. In any case, don't expect results for the time being. As it works gradually, you should rehash this technique for a couple of days to get results. 4. Quiets and soothes acne on your face. In the event that you are as of now baffled with the hassling skin breakout all over, let Ice 3D Squares do something amazing for it. At the point when you utilize an ice solid shape all over, it limits oil creation on your skin. It likewise functions admirably in restoring the knocks and expanding brought about by skin inflammation. 5. For those under eye bags. Tired-looking eyes are such a major mood killer. The inordinate liquid amassing under the eyes can be treated with an Ice 3D Square. Simply move it in a round movement from the inward corner of your eyes towards the eyebrows. This aids in decreasing the expanding. 6. Tightens the skin pores. Your face has pores that discharge common oils and sweat, along these lines supporting and keeping it clean. Be that as it may, if earth gets gathered in the pores, it causes pimples and skin breakout. Scouring an ice shape all over in the wake of washing it helps shrivel the pores. This keeps out the earth from the pores and your face clean. 7. Makes your foundation look flawless. This is one magnificence hack that never falls flat. Rub an ice shape everywhere all over before applying establishment. This makes your cosmetics look impeccable and durable. 8. Lessens the appearance of wrinkles. While you can't switch your age, you can control the indications of maturing. Applying ice blocks all over aids in controlling wrinkles and indications of maturing. It helps in diminishing the current ones as well as forestalls the arrangement of new lines. 9. Mellow your lips. Have dried lips? Apply ice shapes on them. This aids in diminishing the irritation. Likewise, remember to drink a lot of water to keep your skin and lips hydrated. 10. Is an easy remedy for heat rashes. The individuals who have experienced warmth rashes know the agony. Ice 3D Squares are a characteristic solution for fix such rashes. Envelop them with a cotton fabric and rub over the influenced territory. This calms the aggravation and recuperates the warmth rashes. 11. Soothe sunburn. This is likewise an enchantment remedy for your burns from the sun. In the wake of applying Ice 3D Squares on the burned from the sun territory, you can see a critical decrease in aggravation and redness. Nonetheless, burns from the sun blur with time and with ordinary application. 12. Gives you an oil-free look. While having slick skin is a blight in itself, an excessive sleekness can be particularly vexatious. Sleek skin is regularly inclined to episodes. Applying Ice 3D shapes all over can help in lessening abundance oil creation. This is on the grounds that scouring ice packs shrivels the oil-delivering pores, subsequently decreasing extreme slickness. 13. Diminishes tweezing inflammation. Tweezing your eyebrows is something you can't do without. In any case, you can't deny the torment brought about by the cycle. You don't have to endure that torment any longer. Rub an ice 3D shape on the zone to numb the agony and decrease aggravation. 14. Peels your skin. With regards to peeling, you can discard all the monetarily accessible exfoliators for an all-normal and unadulterated strategy. Rub your face with milk ice blocks. Milk contains lactic corrosive that helps in clearing all the dead skin cells, while the ice solid shape improves your brilliance and characteristic sparkle. 15. Natural makeup. Very late surge? Need more an ideal opportunity to apply your cosmetics? Save only 2 minutes and rub an ice 3D square everywhere all over. Ice treatment all over revives your skin, sheds it, and grants a delightful shine to it. Presently, we should amp up this ice game with a couple of more hacks. Almost certainly, applying plain ice shapes all over will help, yet blending it in with spices and mixes can be much more accommodating. Here are a couple of invigorating ice solid shape hacks for you.